Look up things in your past. Yeah, yeah. And you believe the things that you don't understand, then you suffer. Superstition ain't the way.
Judging from the reaction of your mentor, that was a flawless performance. Mahirap talaga mahirap gawin ng isang rock song na 4 na tao. Ang hirap yun talaga. So you did a great job. What, those high notes, both of you, the Chipmunks, Alvin and Theodore, Alvin, very good. Ice-T, good job on the guitar. Really, really good.
Yeah. Daddy's home. Daddy's not going to be home for a long time. They're going to be everywhere. Very good.
Now we're talking.
Yep.
This is rock. This is rock. That's it. Dad is home.
Thank you. Thank you.
I think I don't have to say anything kasi yung tao na nagre-respond. Yun na yun.
And what an
Thank you
arrangement,
very much, judges. All right, guys. If you don't want to send Daddy home and you want to vote for Daddy's home, it's XF space Dad, D-A-D. Maya-maya lang ay magbubukas na ang ating voting line. Thank you very much. Daddy's home.